Hey everybody, Dan Krause here again, working on the M103, the W201 chassis, 190E Mercedes. Today I'm going to show you how to finish the filler work. So this is all straightened out with 80 grit, and now I'm going to finish it by putting one more coat of putty over the whole thing, and then I'll sand all that out and I'll go through that whole process. So originally I had plastic flares on here that you may have seen in another video I did. Those didn't end up working out, unfortunately. The plastic was too brittle. If it was a thicker plastic, it might have worked, but I decided for durability to just use fiberglass, and I bonded it pretty much the same way, using panel bond in between the metal and the fiberglass. And then I clamped it and let it sit and dry, and they're really, really solid. So I'm not worried about that anymore. But anyways, I guess I'll go back and delete that video because I don't want to steer people in the wrong direction. But anyways, I like to try new things. It didn't work out. Oh well. So with that being said, I'm going to get right into it and mix up some putty and put that over the fender, let that dry, get that sanded out, go through that process. Alright, so now that our putty's all dried up, I can start sanding. So what I'm going to do is start with 80 grit, and I'm going to feather it into the existing 80 grit that's already on the fender. And then I'll switch to 180 grit. But before I do that, I will apply some guide coat. So you'll see in the video, I apply this black powder. That's going to really help you see your high and your low spots. There shouldn't really be any high and low spots at this point on this fender. It's pretty well set, but I'll show you what I mean when I apply the guide coat.